afternoon, good evening, wherever you're joining me from today. This is your girl Rosemary, and welcome to the Queens Cuisine Cooking Channel. I hope you are having a fabulous day. But before we look at what we're going to make today, I want to appreciate you all for your continued support on this channel, for liking this video, for sharing this video with your family, with your loved ones. Thank you so much, guys. And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Let's do family together, so each time I drop a new video, you will be the first to know. So today we are taking our cooking trip to China, and we're going to be looking at the popular China appetizer called the Chicken Manchurian. So guys, please forgive me if I am not pronouncing it right. This is a popular appetizer that my children love to eat, even myself. I love it because it's so nice. You can eat it as it is. You can use it as a side dish with your rice. So you can never go wrong with having a chicken Manchurian in your dish. So to make your chicken Manchurian, the first thing you will need is your chicken. So this is breast. So I'm going to dice this up. I'm going to cut it to medium size to my taste, just the way I love it. And just to manage my time, I've gone ahead and sliced some onion. This is one whole onion, medium size. And this is one full carrot. For bell pepper, I'm using half green bell pepper and half red bell pepper. You will also need 2 cloves of garlic. This is crushed. You will need your olive oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice, but I love to use olive oil to cook my meal. You will also need your sauce. This is Oyster Sauce. You will also need your soy sauce. You will need your corn flour. You will need your white distilled vinegar. And of course, you will need half a teaspoon of sugar and your egg white. So I'm using 2 egg whites today. That's 2 eggs. And of course, you will need your salt to taste. So let me wash my hands and we can get started with our cooking. So now we're going to take our chicken and dice it up. I'm doing kind of medium, not too small, just the way you like. I like it. You're going to dice up your chicken. Okay, so this is your chicken when it's all fully diced. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to add some salt to taste. I'm going to mix that up. So once you mix your salt in, I'm going to add my egg whites. Then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. I'm going to mix that up. So that is your chicken with salt and cornstarch. So now that I have my oil, I'm going to turn on my heat. I'm going to allow this oil to heat up before I start frying my chicken. So my oil is hot enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry my chicken. I'm just going to add my chicken to my oil. So now I'm going to remove my chicken. I fried it enough. Once it's turning golden brown, just like this, you know it's enough. It's time to remove it from your hot frying oil. And I'm putting it in a paper napkin so all the oil left can be strained out. See how the color looks? It's turning golden brown, so it's cooked. I'm going to remove it from my frying oil. So this is how your fried chicken looks. When you do it properly, it's going to come out this way. And now I'm going to make my veggies. So this is a clean pan. I turned on my heat. I'm just going to add some olive oil. 1/3 cup. This is a 1/3 cup measurement. I'm just using 1 cup of 1/3 cup measurements. I'm going to allow my oil to heat up a little bit before adding anything to it. So the first thing you want to do once your oil is hot enough, I'm going to add my onion. Then I'm going to add my garlic. So I'm using 2 cloves of garlic crushed. I'm going to let this simmer for 1 to 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add my diced bell pepper. I'm going to add my carrot. Next thing is to add my soy sauce. This is my soy sauce. I'm just going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce to this. And then for my oyster sauce, I'm just going to do 1 teaspoon. And this is my white vinegar, and that's just a teaspoon of white vinegar. And this is a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of sugar. And at this time, I'm going to add some habanero pepper. This is a choice. You don't have to do this. You can add black pepper. I love to see my food to be spicy. So I'm just going to add some habanero pepper to this. It smells so good. Now I'm going to add some water. You don't want to overdo it. I'm going to bring this to the boil for 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes. Cooking for about a minute now. To bring everything together, I'm going to add some mixed, this is cornstarch with water, mixed with water. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit on it, like 3 teaspoons. I'm going to mix this up. Now I'm going to add my chicken. I'm going to reduce my heat. It's smelling so nice. going to let this sit for another minute so the chicken and the flavor can get in the chicken, and then I'll turn it off. If you're just seeing me for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Let's do family together. I'm also going to leave a link in the description section where you can access my website and grab a book for yourself on intermittent fasting. I will also leave a link on quality kitchen gadgets. You can access any quality kitchen gadgets of your choice. So now let's go back to our meal. So guys, our chicken Manchurian is almost ready. So this is how it looks. It smells so nice and I can't wait to have this. So guys, our chicken Manchurian is ready. I'm going to dish myself. Wait, like I mentioned, this is an appetizer that you can take at any time. So this is the final product. It's really looking good. I'm going to try this out. So guys, we are done with our video and this came out really nice. I really want to appreciate you all for staying to the end of this video. Until I come your way again, please love yourself, love your neighbors, treat others the way they love to be treated, and stay blessed. I love you guys. Bye guys.